Right, folks, you remember there, guess what this is? I'm still not going to tell you. But what the clues is getting more and more self-explanatory, right? But you don't guess. And I'll tell you something new, if you're going to guess the day, all will be revealed on the 17th of August. Remember that day, the 17th of August. Right, anyway. Connor and Chelsea, by the way. Connor and Chelsea, remember they two names. Okay. Right, lift that up. Put that back there. And that sits there nice like that. Now look at that. Now that's all going to be painted white. That's another clue. Right? And I'll certainly know behind it. That's another clue. Right? And it'll not be an Ayrshire. That's another clue. So that's that done. Yet again, the mighty WSH has done it wrong again. Went to Rona and Billy's today. And they said, that's a braw gate, Wally. When are you painting it black? So I says, oh, diddums. So I had to bring it back to the mighty WSH workshop and we'll get it painted black tomorrow. But there you go. Oh, hello there. There he is. There's Horatio. Hello, Horatio. How are you doing? See how friendly they are? They're getting friendly and friendly. Now, I've decided, see the Brunion, how they're three here, Horatio and Frederick. We're now going to, after adjudication and decisions, and me being self-centred, we're going to call him Wilbert. Wilbert is the name of our new cockerel. He's now been christened. There it is. There's the feed there for him. And look, Horatio's flying in there. They're really there hiding. But, come on, Horatio. Horatio! There you go, folks. So see you all later. Remember, the clues is in the design. The clues is in the design. Connor and Chelsea. Okay? Ding, 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 dong, dong. That's another clue. See you all later, folks.